So we are going to lodge our business activity statement for the month of October, November and December, or whatever quarter you're going to lodge. For those 3 months, we are going to make a table like this. And then enter your business expenses in the table from your receipts and invoices. Then calculate them all. My 3 months expenses look similar in the tables because this is a tutorial. That's why I copied them from first table to second and third. So you are going to enter your real expenses for each month. After calculation of those 3 months expenses, then make a table like this: total 3 months expenses, and put your expenses here. Now we are going to see codes to make our lodgement easy. These codes are for GST, so we should remember that. G11 total expenses or total purchase. G1 is total sale or total income. 1A is GST on sale or income. 1B is GST on expenses. After this, enter your 3 months expenses from the table above into GST calculation table. What's your full purchase in the month of October? 296.44. Put the same amount here on this table, and so on. You should have documents for your income. Put your 3 months total income or sale into G1. After this, we put our total income or sale from G1 to G1 into this table. Then our G1 total sale or total income will be divided by 11. Then whatever left will be called 1A. What's G11 and how much is our expenses? G11 is our total expenses or purchase, and our total purchase is 3,265.28, which we are going to write here as well. The exact same calculation process will be applied to G11, means total purchase or total expenses. Then whatever left will be called 1B. After this, we are subtracting 1A from 1B. That's the amount you're going to pay to the ATO or ATO to you. Let's go to our last step to lodge our BAS to the ATO's website. Put your username and password. Then click on Sign In button. Then you will receive security code from ATO's website right down here, and click Next. Then click on Prepare. Means it's required to submit your business activity statement. So click on Edit to submit BAS. If you forgot your G1 already, no worries. Let's go back to Excel and check it. So it's 9,000. Let's write 9,000 here. Then click on Yes. let's check how much is our 1A. It's 818.18. After decimal point, if that would be 51, we would write 819. So it's less than 50 cents. We will write 818 without cents. The same method applies to 1B as well. So it's 296.84. So we will write 297. Then click on Save and Continue. That's it. You nailed it. If this video helped you a little bit, then smash the subscribe and notification bell for further videos. Have a lovely day.